Namaskar and welcome to FI BSc students in this topic microbes viruses. In this today's lecture we are going to study the economic importance of the viruses. Before studying the economic importance of these microbes, we have to revise the initial points we have studied about these viruses, that these particular viruses are non-cellular ultra microscopic nucleoprotein particles multiply only in living cells. Outside the host, they appear in crystalline chemical substances intermediate between the living and non-living. That means they are neither living nor non-living particles or beings, infectious to plants, animals, even microorganisms, cause a serious damage. They are energy parasites. That means they are depend on the other living beings for the energy. The importance can be divided into harmful and useful. That means this particular today's subject or economic importance of the viruses is divided into two subparts, that is harmful importance, harmful activities and related importance, and useful activities and related importance. So in today's lecture we will study the harmful activities of the viruses, while the useful activities or useful economic importance we will study in the next lecture. Regarding the harmful activities, viruses are causative agents of many diseases in man. The following table shows the list of viral diseases. So we can see particularly the red colored text in the table shows the viruses or the name of the viruses which we are known, and the particular disease caused by these particular viruses. I will read the particular red colored text or red colored highlighted names or viruses details, and the regarding the remaining viruses or their diseases caused by them, you can search the information about these viruses. So first virus is herpes simplex virus, which causes herpes simplex. The chicken pox which is particularly caused in the children's, which is caused by Vermicella zoster. Then the pneumonia, which is very common well known disease, which is caused by adenovirus, and in which the series types from 4 to 7 causes the particularly pneumonia. And then the polio, which is very well known disease, which is overcome by the India by giving the doses to the children's, which is caused by the polio virus. Then rhinovirus, which is causes common cold. Then influenza virus causes the disease influenza. Then dengue virus causes dengue, then vesiculovirus by which causes dengue, chikungunya. Then the rabies virus causes rabies, and the series of hepatitis virus, that is A, B, D and E, causes many diseases, that is infectious hepatitis, serum hepatitis, delta hepatitis, enterically transmitted hepatitis, and the particularly now the today's or this particular year 2020, which is uh, the created pandemic situation by the virus corona, causes disease common cold. Then a well-known disease, that is HIV, which is caused by the virus human immunodeficiency virus, and the disease particularly caused by this virus is AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Now we turn towards the harmful activities of viruses, particularly in the agricultural crops. Almost all plant viruses infect their host plants in the nature and cause characteristic disease in them. Many viruses attack on the crop plants caused a huge loss to the farmers. The common viral disease of the crop plants are listed in these particular tables. We will discuss selective plants and the causing disease and causing virus, and the what is the particular mode of transmission. As earlier we have studied the tobacco mosaic virus, similarly in the other plants or cash crops or fruit crops and many foliage crops, leafy vegetables, in many these particular crop plants or agricultural crops, the viral diseases occur. We will discuss selective crops and their related virus in briefly in this particular table. First one is the banana. The disease on this particular crop is bunchy top, and the causing virus is called Musa virus 1, which is transmitted by the aphid called banana aphid. In brinjal, the mode of disease is little leaf, that means the leaves becomes very little or small in size. The virus name of the particular causing virus is Vaccinium virus 1, and the mode of transmission of this particular virus is leaf hoppers. Then the third crop is chili, on which the disease occurred is leaf curl, that means curling or wrinkling of the particular leaves of chili. As this particular causing virus or the crop plant is in the particular family of tobacco, the name of virus is tobacco leaf curl mosaic virus, and the mode of transmission by the thrips and white flies. The fourth crop is citrus, on which the disease occurred is Tristenza or quick decline disease. The name of virus is citrus mosaic virus, and the mode of transmission by aphids, that is aphid gossypi. Similarly, there are many crop plants like cotton, cowpea, cucurbits, dolichos, lablab, double bean, ladyfinger, papaya, rice, maize, jawar, apple, cherry, cabbage, cauliflower, potato, soybean, radish, turnip, sesame, and these particular many crop plants are attacked by these particular viruses, which are transmitted by many aphids, flies, and you can see these particular viruses and their details in this particular table. Now we turn towards the other harmful activities caused by the viruses. Few viruses attack on the blue-green algae. So regarding this particular terminology, we will learn in the topic algae. The blue-green algae, popularly known as cyanophages, are viruses of the blue-green algae. That means the virus infect on the blue-green algae such as Anacystis nudulans, Nostoc muscorum, Syncoccus, Cedronum, etc. are cause disease. Similarly, a few viruses attack on green algae, brown algae, and red algae. So regarding these particular green, brown, and red algae are due to the pigmentation or photosynthetic pigments which are important in the particular these algae. That's why these are called green algae, brown algae, and red algae. Regarding this, we will study in the topic algae. These green, brown, and red algae are called algal viruses or phycoviruses. That means these particular algae are attacked by the phycoviruses. For example, Cara australis virus on Cara cause a disease. Even some virus attack on the fungi are called mycophages or mycovirus. Even some edible mushrooms are attacked by the virus and cause the damage. So these are all the harmful activities of the viruses. In next lecture, we will study the useful activities or useful economic importance of these particular viruses. So this is all about the today's lecture, and we will meet very soon in the next lecture. Thank you.